Okay, the street's going to be our focus today. We're going to go straight down that one, and I'll tell you all about it in a minute. This is on the corner here. Stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's check this one out. So let's just head this way a little bit. And this is going to be our focus. Give you a little context to everything as well. Tall building right there. It's kind of cool, actually. Actually, this is over there. It's like there's a bunch of apartments over here. That's a Taipa park, and then this has been like a park that's been kind of under construction. I think I saw the plan for that, but I can't remember what it was. But that'll be different sometime as well. And then these barracks. I believe these barracks. I did film in here before. Actually, that's kind of a cool spot in there. I'd love to film over there again. But anyways, what we're gonna be doing is going down this street. So this is our focus. Wow, check out that apartment. That one too. Okay. So we got kind of a rainy Saturday, and just gonna walk down this street. The street name, I saw it down that way, and then I came down to film at the end of the street. So I'm kind of surprised I don't see the street name down here. Yeah, and actually, I don't know what this is. It's kind of an old building. If they painted that, it would look kind of cool. It's a Royal Supermarket down there. Actually, that building looks kind of interesting too. Phone repair. Gourmet coffee. Yeah, it's kind of a rainy Tuesday. Look at this one though. This looks kind of a cool apartment. Got these big little tubes. So it's kind of tubes, kind of the architecture is really amazing. Got these kind of tube-like structures that, don't know what that would be like. Kind of makes you wonder if those tubes are like the living rooms or bedrooms. Okay, over here is a hotel. I think that's called Grandview Hotel, I believe. If you saw my other video, I did Hua de Fat San recently, and now I'm gonna do this one. A lot of kind of interesting apartments. So that's a hotel. Look at all the apartments there. Got a Royal Supermarket there. And then this is that same building, all the kind of tubes. And there's another one right next to it with also kind of that tube-like thing too. Got a Royal Supermarket over there. Silver Bay Spa. And check out all those tubes like that. And kind of a rainy day. I slip on the den apparently. There's also a temple with money. There's a Royal. That's a supermarket there. Quite a few supermarkets around here. There's one over there too, so. Okay. It's hard to say if it'd be better to come here at a different time, but it's good to capture things at different times of the day. And I don't really come out that much on a rainy Saturday morning. We're gonna come out to the end. This is the ending of our street right there. So, okay. So it's our street right there. I don't know if I filmed the street, how it's spelled right now yet, but there it is right there. Okay, so we're gonna finish it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.